Hi, my name is Andre Prokesh. I work for Nestle Professional on the chef brand UK and Ireland. The dish I'm going to show you is braised octopus with red wine. We've got some fennel salad, cured egg yolk and shellfish consomme. So the product for the dish I'll be using, it's going to be a beef stock, all natural stocks from the chef brand. We're going to be using a signature red wine paste. So here is the octopus, which has been brined and sous vide with some oil, and then this is going to be cooked in a water bath by 90 degrees for an hour and 20 minutes. So here is the octopus, which has been cooked already. We portion some equal size, suitable for the dish. So these potatoes have been cooked for about 2 hours in a water bath by 83 degrees with some duck fat and some herbs. Pre-cut potatoes. Take them out and dry them on a J-cloth. So here are some cured eggs we've done with some sugar and some salt. These have been cured for 6 to 8 hours, depends on the size. So for the braising liquid, we're going to be using all natural stocks from beef, from the chef brand. So we're going to pour some into a saucepan, reduce it by half, and then we add red wine signature paste, 1 tablespoon in, and keep it cooking for another 2-3 minutes. So the next step, what we're going to be doing, we're doing shellfish consomme. So we took a shellfish stock from all natural stocks and we froze it, fully completely frozen. And then once it's frozen, as it's frozen, we put it into a muslin, wrap it in muslin and drain it overnight in the fridge. So actually all the gelatin comes out and you have a clear stock. And that's going to be your shellfish consomme. So for the fennel salad, cut the tops off. Maybe a little bit further. Inside. Mandolin, and then slice in the salad. For the salad, a little bit of a lemon juice, some oil. So now I'm going to be coloring the octopus on each side so it's nice and crispy. We're going to color the potatoes as well once they get nice crispy coat. To finish this sauce, once it's been reduced halfway, add a spoon in and let it cook for another couple of minutes and then pass it through fine sieve. So now it's been reduced down and it's been passed through chinois and the red wine paste is in, so that's now the finished stock ready to be glazed. So a little bit of a stock in a pan to glaze it. And now once it's been crispy, just add them in here into the glazing liquid. You just coat it with the liquid. So now we're going to plate, assemble and finish the octopus dish with the consomme. And some cured egg. We've got the fennel salad with some fennel herbs, some nasturtium, and some edible flowers. So we're going to pour some braising liquid on top and some dill oil. And now we're going to pour the consomme over it.